In this video, I am going to show you the experiment LED and buzzer combination. For this, we require switch module, we require LED module and we require buzzer module. Let's connect the power supply to the switch module. From switch, we are giving the power supply to the LED module and from LED module negative to ground. Now, the same power supply must go to buzzer so that it will turn on. So we are connecting the loads in parallel way. For that, I'll take another wire from switch module to the buzzer positive and from buzzer negative to the negative of battery. Now, from the switch we have taken two outputs. One output is going to LED and another output is going to buzzer. So it means at the same time we are connecting LED and also buzzer. Let's test by using push button now. Yes, it is working. So when I press the push button, LED and buzzer are working together.